Hi everyone, this is Sujata from Chennai. I'm today here on Craftcully Facebook page to do a short live on wire calligraphy. So quickly let me check if my camera is okay and my voice is audible. Just give me a minute. So are you guys excited to see what I'm making today? Hi everyone, this is Jata from Chennai. Okay, I'm audible now. Okay, a little something about me. I'm an handmade artist. I make different things like resin jewelry, terracotta, wire jewelry, and resin. I think I'm repeating the same. So polymer clay. I'll quickly wait for people to join in. Hi Jaya. Hi Harshada. Okay, I see some people joining in. Hi Swati. Say hi and where you're from. Hi Swati. Am I visible? Am I audible enough? Hi Nadia. So I joined the Craftcully design team this November, and they have a wide range of craft supplies ranging from cardstock and wires, you name it, they have it. And the best part is that they're pricing. So today we'll be working on hello Kunjal. Thank you for this opportunity. I'm really excited. Yeah, what was I telling? Yeah. So they have a wide variety of craft supplies, right from resin, wires, jewelry making supplies, all okay. Yeah. So one of the many things I like working with are the wires, and I recently started making aluminum wire accessories. So Craftcully Kunjal has been really kind, and she has sent me a lot of supplies to try. So I have these silver and gold aluminum wires today. So hi Kavita. Hi Taranam. Sorry if I spelled it wrong. Hi Ekta. Amazing. I'll wait for a few more minutes. So today this is going to be a real quick video. So what you will be learning is wire calligraphy. Sounds interesting, right? So nothing but you're going to shape wires in calligraphy fonts, like connected fonts, not the normal fonts. Oh, you're excited. Same with me, Ankita. Okay. Yeah. So there are n number of things you can make with wires, right from keychains, bag tags, bookmarks, and I can't think of you can even use them in scrapbooks, or you can make it as a frame, a standalone frame. Yeah. Okay. I think there are 21 people, and I would like you guys to share the video. I have a surprise waiting for you guys. So do share the video, and at the end of the session, we'll be having a real surprise. So yeah, I'll do that, Kunjal. I'll show some samples. So quickly I'll switch the camera to the other side so you can see what's there on my table. Just give me a minute. Is this okay? It's more like one-way interaction, right? So a few comments would be really helpful. So okay, I'm going to switch it to vertical position. So yeah, is this okay, guys? Okay, great. So I'll show you some samples before starting with the project. So I made this live, laugh, love sentiment. I mean, if you can see it clearly, yeah. Live, laugh, love. It's just like a standalone frame. You can wrap string lights over these and place it on your table. It's just a cute little accessory for table, right? So yeah, okay, thank you, Uma. Okay, I made this today, so it was a quick accessory, so you can hang it in your what to say, your door. Just be you. How cute is that, right? I added these cute little bird, made these roses using wires. Hi Nalini. Okay, that's about it. And I'm yet to complete this keychain, but I'll show you. So this is basically an thank you Kunjal, and this is basically MDF based keychain. So this is a customized order, so she wanted it like the king for her husband. How cute is that? So I'll be showing you how to wrap this one to this base after quickly. So there are many things you can make with the wires, and I'm just showing you only a few of them so that you get inspired, right? Okay, I think we'll start with the project now. I have 35 people. Please do share the video so that you can let your friends know. Oh, please teach us. Okay, Ekta, I'm going to start with the live now. I mean, I might not be able to read your comments, and I'll quickly come again after the live to answer your queries if you have any. Okay, so we'll quickly go through the materials you'll need for the project. So first and the foremost thing you'll need are these wires. These are aluminum wires. They come in silver and gold shades. So I have already used up most of the gold aluminum wires, and the cost, see, it's just 120 rupees for this much wire. How cool is that, right? So the next thing you'll need are a few set of pliers. So I have these round nose pliers, these cutting pliers, and a flat nose plier. This is like, and the same flat nose plier, but this has a wide mouth. Okay, so I'm going to keep this aside. Okay, I think we'll start now. I have printed out few sentiments. Happiness is an inside job. Hello sunshine. Fabulous. I'll show you how to take a printout of these, and from my phone. Okay, what you have to do is there are several other apps on Play Store. The simplest one is the Texton Photo app. So I'm going to open the Texton Photo app, and I'm going to click create. Okay, no. Okay, I'm going to choose a plain background and write whichever text you like. Say for example, live, laugh, love, whatever quotes like. I'm just going to type love for now. Okay, you can change the style. I mean, the best part about calligraphy is that you get to write the wires, like you can mimic whatever style of writing you have here. So I'm going to choose a font that is more of a calligraphy style. Look at this. Okay, these aren't connected, but okay, can you see now? Okay, these aren't really connected, but I'll show you how you can do that. I'm going to take a printout of this later. So I think we'll start with the prints I have already taken. So, which one you want me to start with? Happiness is an inside job, hello sunshine, or fabulous? I'll wait for your comments. Nothing is visible, Shamama. Oh, can someone tell me if I'm visible? Oh, you mean my phone, right? Hello sunshine. Okay, Kunjal, I think I'll start with hello sunshine. The happiness one. Meena, definitely I'll do the next happiness one for you. Next. It is saying watch an app. Oh, I'm really sorry, Shamama. You're not able to view. So, you're able to view, guys? Okay, I'm going with the word hello sunshine. So, I think you guys are able to view. Okay, Rajeshwari. I'll go with hello sunshine. Fabulous. Okay, I'll do all of these for you guys. And just give me a quick minute. Can someone tell me if it's clear? Yes, it's clear. Okay, Kavita. Okay, I'm going to start with the word hello sunshine. The way I have printed out this is a calligraphy font I took from the app. So make sure all the words are connected so that you don't really have to cut the wires as you go. Okay. So I always take extra wires. So this is a gold coated aluminum wire. This is a gold coated aluminum wire. I'm going to quickly I really take a long wire, so I don't go short of wire at the end. Say about 30 centimeters wire. Okay. I'm going to quickly cut it using my cutting pliers. And if there are any bends, make sure you straighten out. You don't really need any nylon pliers or something like that to straighten out the wires. These are really flexible and soft wires, and you can really do it using your hands. I can see some comments from my other phone. Thank you guys. Okay, I'm going to quickly straighten out the wire like so. Okay. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this project later, so I'm going to leave extra space here, say about some 5 centimeters or so, and start with the project. Wish me luck, guys. So what I'm going to do is, for bends like this, like a U bend or a loop, I'm going to use round nose pliers to shape my wires. Okay, so I'm going to make a slight bend here. I'm going to make a slight bend here and use my pliers to guide the aluminum wire. Okay. What is the mm of the wire? It is a 1 mm wire, Ekta. Sindura, the app name is, I'll get back to you with the app name, sure. Okay. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm placing the round nose pliers right here and bending the wires through the other hand. See? Look at that. How easy is that, right? Yeah, it was text on photo. Thank you, Kunjal. Okay, I just made the first loop and I'm going to go over and do the second one. Okay, you can really use just your fingers for the large loops. Oh, you will rock the show. Thank you, VTK. Okay, I'm quickly wrapping the wires using my 4 fingers. Okay, you don't really have to be perfect. Do you see that? I'm going to go ahead and start with the hello. Okay. Use your fingers to guide the wires around the font. Okay. Okay, I'm simply guiding the wire around the font, okay? I mean on the font, whatever. Okay, take the shape, whoops, like so. I'm not really using my pliers. If you're going for a smaller word of the same hello, you need to really use a plier. So I'm doing this using my hands now. Okay. If there is a sharp bend, use your pliers to guide the wires, okay? Like this, okay? Do you see that? Okay. Just hold the wires and just push the plier like so, okay? Do you see that? H. How cute is that? I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of the word, rest of the letters. So, what I'm doing is, where there is a bend, what wire? Manoharan. These are aluminum wires from Craft Gully, and these are only 120 rupees. I don't know how many meters, but they are really very long, okay? So, I'm just holding my round nose plier here and guiding the wire accordingly. Do you see that? Okay, I need a really small loop for E. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to really pull the wire towards me. And do you see that? You get the loop. It isn't really taking the shape. What I'm going to do is, I'm quickly going to place this here and use my 4 fingers to guide the wire. Okay. So there's a bend here. I'm going to use my round nose plier to give shape. Okay. Now our E is done. I'm going to quickly check other comments on the other phone. Calligraphy by wire is amazing. Yes, Hazel, that is, this is amazing. So, yeah, 1 mm thickness. Okay, quickly I'm going to do hello. It is a straight word, but I'm going to make a loop here. A really small loop. I think it's visible for you guys. I make it sound so easy, Nadia. Seriously, it is really easy. You can do it like, you don't need any experience with crafting, or you need only basic set of supplies like pliers and wires, and that's it. And some creativity, right? Okay, I'm going to do another L now. Okay, this one is a smaller one, but it's okay. Handmade, right? Do we get colored wire? Sureka. I think they have silver and aluminum wires, but I'm not sure. I think Kunjal may be able to answer that question. Which font you're using? Okay, the font really didn't have a name, but I'll really check later for you guys. Okay, Smita. Okay, this L came a little awkward, but it's okay. I'm going to bend my wires here. So this is an interesting part. Okay, what you have to do is, you're going to bring back the wire to this O and again come back. Okay, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to make a sharp turn here. I'm going to make a sharp turn here and use my flat nose plier and quickly press it firmly like so. You can either leave it this way, or you can turn the wire so that what you see is a single line. Okay, I hope you guys can follow. Oops. What I'm saying is, you can either leave it like this or bend the wire this way so that what you see is a single line, right? Okay, I'll keep my pot little away from my table. Okay, they want to be in my frame, no problem. Okay, having done that, yeah, Craftgalley's Crafter's Paradise. Yes, VTK Rani. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly shape this O using my fingers, and I'm going to use my pliers where there's a turn. Okay, I'm going to hold the wire here and going to make a turn. Great, right? And you don't need to put too much pressure on your wires, because either they get squishy or you get a mark on the wire, which is not good. Okay, be gentle, and I'm going to leave that. So let's see how the word hello has come out. Yes, it is pretty, right? I'm going to show you darker background. How cool is that? Hello, looks cool, Harshada, thank you. I'm going to place this here and be done with the next one. Next word, sunshine. Just give me a minute. Okay, I'm going to quickly trim off another wire. Oh, where's the end? Here's the end. Okay. Looks super cute, thank you. How will we do for the letter T, the line on the top? I have made something similar. I'll show you so that you get a better idea. Okay. So I'm going to quickly thank you, Princey. It is really easy. And I want you guys to try it out at least once. It might look difficult, but trust me, it is really, really simple. So I'm moving on to the next word, sunshine. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, it's already 4:24. I don't want to take too much of your time, but yeah, I'm going to start with the word yes. So where do I start? Either here or here. It's best if I start here so that I can join with the letter U here. Okay, it makes really easy, no? Okay, always I'm going to leave some extra wire. Okay, I don't think so I can do that here. Yeah, I can do it. Okay, quickly I'm going to use my nose pliers. Ma'am, can you show circle wala sample again? I'll show you again at the end of the video. So what I'm doing is wrapping the wire for this small loop. Okay. What gauge wire I'm using? This is a 1 mm aluminum wire and it is really easy to work with. So quickly I'm going to shape it into yes. I'm using just my fingers to do this. Okay. Okay. I'm going to make a loop now. Okay, I'll do that here. If we fall short of wire, how do we continue the next alphabet? No, that is why I'm telling you guys to take extra wire, Hazel. The project would look incomplete. You can't really add wires in the middle. All you have to do is start again from the beginning, right? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take back this wire on the back side, like so. And I'm going to do U, okay? If you want to either give it a little loop, you can do that, or you can straight away go to the word U, okay? Yeah, these are aluminum wires with golden coat. These don't really change colors unlike brass wires. I have kept these Live Laugh Love frame out in my room, and they haven't really changed color. One thing you will have to make sure that you don't really put like water or anything, alcohol, perfume on the wires. Okay, what I do at this point is that I'm going to squish my wires using my pliers. You can either do it this way or hide it behind, hide the second wire behind. Okay, I'm going to quickly shape it. It's taking too much time than I used to do myself. Okay, so N, you can either squish the wire and place it this way, or you can hide it behind. Okay, I'm going to hide it behind for a much neat look. Okay, you can either use your flat nose pliers or round nose ones. So there we go. Okay, it isn't, yeah, it's quite okay. Stay with me until the end of this video. I have a surprise for you guys. I'm going to quickly finish. Hello sunshine, and come back to you. Meanwhile, share the video with your friends. This is my very first live. I would really appreciate if you could tell me how you are liking the video or any advice. Okay, for the hedge I'm not going to turn the wire to the other side because I really need this part here. Okay, I'm going to quickly shape it. Liked it, Smita. Thank you so much, Smita. So with the eye, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to just do the eye without the dot. I'm going to make the dot. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a slight bend here. Is there a special glue to stick to any project? I'll come back to you about that question quickly. I'll show you how to do that. Just that. What I'm going to do is I just bend the wire. I'm going to quickly make a round here using my round nose plier. Can you see that? Okay, I just made a loop here, very small loop, a very small loop. Okay, for the eye. Do you see that? And quickly come back again. Okay, and this is an eye. Okay, yes. You doing well. We are loving it. How flawless it is. Thank you, Harshada. I'm blabbering. Okay, for the end, what I did earlier was that I brought back the wires. Okay, I'm going to do the same here. I'm going to squish the wires and bring it back. Okay, do you see that? Yeah. Where is the wire available? I was a tricky one. Yeah, I know, right? Vaishnavi, the wires are available with Craftcali, and trust me, they are amazing. They have a wide range of supplies and your one-stop shop maybe. Okay, what I'm going to do here is quickly shape N, the letter N here. Okay, I'm almost done. Okay, for the letter E, I'm going to make a loop as usual. Hold at this point and make loop. Okay, I think this is enough. Thank you, Smita. Okay, how cool is that? Yes, okay. If you want a smaller loop, make it smaller and then come back again and then shape your E. Okay, that's it. The word ends here, so I'm going to make a mark and put it here. Okay, I'm done with the letter sunshine. Let's see how it is in a darker background. Okay, I'm going to quickly move the sheet. Sunshine. Hello, sunshine. You guys are my today's sunshine. Seriously. Neat work. Thank you, Indu. Wonderful. Thank you, guys. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly make some little swirls here and bring the wire this side. So that didn't come out really well. Okay, so I'm going to bend it this way. You don't really know how much wire you need for a project. You don't, maybe you can do it with the scrap wire and then start with the wires. Okay, so that was better, I think. Beautiful. Thank you, Sindura. Very nice, Shivani. Oh yeah, thank you. Okay, I think I'm done with the calligraphy, wire calligraphy, and this is my only project today. And I have kept two more one. Okay, I think I can reveal the surprise now. So best part is that you can use this anywhere. Okay, you can either put this in your pot, make a frame like this, okay, I'll show you. Hello. Okay, I have this beautiful pot with me today. You can either place it here, hello, right? Hello. Or you can use a darker background like this, like black or anything dark, and make a frame out of it. Or you can make frames out of wires itself. So what I've done here is okay, I'll show you this way. This works better, right? What I've done is I've done the letter L alone and IVE here and wrapped around this frame. This frame is real simple. You can twist two wires together and make a frame out of it. So I'll show you. So this is my cute little teddy bear here. I'm going to place this like so and place it on my table. So what other things you can make with the wires are those? You can make keychains out of it. So this is a custom order for my client. So she wanted the word the king for her husband. So what I did is I shaped the wires. Small ones are really difficult, not really difficult, but kind of tricky to work with. And I have shaped the word the king similar way. I took a printout, shaped the wires, always extra wires on either side. Okay, I have drilled holes here on this MDF base. Yeah, Sangeeta, name board for home entrance. That is really nice. Can be used for cake toppers. Absolutely. These are aluminum wires. We are using plastic, acrylic over cakes. These are absolutely beautiful, right? You can use them on cake toppers. Like you can use it later on for your pots, for your table decor. Okay, where am I? Okay, I quickly drilled holes using these drilling. What do you call this? Okay, whatever. I quickly drilled holes using these, and I'll show you how did I wrap these the letter here. So inspiring. Thank you. I'm going to quickly pass through. Before that, I'm going to check where my wires are. Okay, here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is hold the piece of wire here, pass it through, and make a bend. Okay. Similarly, don't worry if your letters are distorted while making this. You can always put it back into the shape. Okay, I'm going to do this here also. So where's my G going? Okay, I think it's pretty. That's it. Just give it a push using your fingers. If not fingers, you can use the back of your pliers. Give them a gentle push so that they settle down well. What I'm going to do is quickly flip over and make little coil here. And press it down. Okay, that's it. I'm going to do the same here. I'll show the circle one ekta. Just give me a minute. Okay, that was a really embossed one. I'm going to make it flat here because you don't want these to poke someone, right? Okay, that came out really well. So that's it. I have added a small little charm, a crown. That's it. This goes for another inspiration. So the keychain. Okay, the next thing you can do is, just give me a minute. Where to buy the drill tool? They are available online. I'm not sure if Craftgully has these, but you might want to check with her. Will this wire, just give me a minute, I'll check the comments and come back to the live. Will this wire be suitable for outdoor projects? I'm not sure for the outdoor projects because they might get wet in the rain, or I'm showing the project already. Okay, not for outdoor projects. I would really recommend you use it inside your home. Okay, the next thing, this is a basic MDF base. So for the live, I made it really quick. I pasted a piece of cardstock here, and Kunjal has an amazing variety of cardstock, and I place these wires using foam stickers here. I'm going to show you how this is going to look. Okay, look at this. Maybe you can make some shapes and go till the edges. So this looks pretty. Hello sunshine. Beautiful, right? How is this, guys? So if you are into mixed media or scrapbooking or card making, you can use these wires as toppers, or even bakers, you can use these as cake toppers. The wires may tarnish, yes. I wouldn't really recommend putting out in the sun or water. Inside is absolutely fine. Okay. Hello. In this case, what you can do is either you can drill holes and bring it back and wrap it, or someone asked me how to stick these. Okay, I wouldn't really recommend to stick to projects like these. So what you can do is either drill holes, bring it backwards like this from in this project, and you can fix it in place. Otherwise, so if you are using, I'll show you one more project. Yeah, bracelet will be amazing, right? So this is a resin base. Okay, I made this some time ago. So this is a beautiful, shiny, sparkly heart. So what you can do here is you can put a layer of resin. Resin is also available at Craftgully, and you can put the wire on top. You don't really have to cover the entire wire, just the wire. Okay. Hello. I think this might have answered someone's question. You can coat a thin layer of resin after your project is dry and paste it here. Okay. So someone was asking about the round one I made earlier. So look at this. So I'll quickly tell you how I made this one. I wrapped two wires together. Simply fold the wire just quickly. I'll show you one because you'll get an idea. Okay. This is a scrap wire I have. Okay. I'm going to bend the wire. Twist the wire like this. Hold one end. Twist it. Please tell me the name of the app. It's a text on photo app, but you have umpteen number of apps available online. Okay, so you can simply twist the wires together, find an object to shape the wires. So I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm just going to show a smaller one. So what I did was I shaped the wires like this and put it back in place. Okay, oops, it's not coming out. Okay, that was a little show off of my unicorn pen. Okay, so what I did was, so I wrapped this around a big bottle. Okay, hope you get the idea. I'm going to quickly wrap this extra scrap of wire, and I had a really long wire here, so I made roses out of these and wrapped here. Okay, I made these resin embellishments earlier, so I added these cute little bird here, and similar way BU. So what I did here was I did B and U separately. And I used a foam sticker to stick this, but still it's pretty, right? Okay, I think I'm done for most of the thing I wanted to say today. So yes, coming for the surprise. Okay, what's the time now? 4:43. Okay, what I'm going to do is I really need you people to comment a simple name, your friend's name, or anyone's name. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a name and do it live for you, and quickly I'm going to shape the wires for you and gift it to you. How cool is that? So who's ready? Comment your name, guys. I'll keep these aside meanwhile. So I'm going to pick names. Please make it really short, be it your nickname or pet name. Okay, Indu. Okay, I am getting some names. I'm going to write down the names. I'm going to pick randomly. Oh, that's really quick, guys. Okay, Indu, Nidhi. Okay, Ankita, Priyanka, Meena. Okay, I'm getting few names here. Oh, okay, Mayu. You guys are really kind. Seriously. Urvi. Okay. Deena. Me. Okay, Jayashri. Ritika. Heetal. Okay. Ikta. I see so many names, guys. Okay. I was thinking of planning to make just one, but I'm getting more names here. Swara. Make sure you follow both of us. Okay, I'm going to stop here. Thank you guys for commenting your names. I really appreciate it. Please do follow our Facebook pages, our Insta handles. Mine is Kalai Nayam, and Craft Gully, of course. Ammu, Vani. I get so many names, so I'm going to quickly choose few names. Okay, I'm going to write it down in the camera so that I don't forget. Okay, if not in the live, I'll get back to you. I'm going to select 5 of you and make wire accessory for you. Okay, I'm going to write down the name now. Okay, first name goes here, Hazel. Okay, Vani. I'm going to do Siri. Come on, guys. Okay, Ekta has been really kind. So for Ekta. And let's see who's the last one. Okay. I think I took someone's name already. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go with Ankita. Okay, please guys, make sure you follow Craft Kali and Kalainayam on Facebook. So I'm going to quickly show one of these names here. So what I'm going to choose is Vani. Okay, sorry guys if I have not picked your name. It's just for fun, right? Okay, I'm going to do which name. Okay, from these 5, which name would you like to go? I mean, quickly I'm going to open my app. Sorry guys if I have not picked your name. I really appreciate you leaving a comment here. So I'm going to do Ankita. Okay, I'm going to open my app. So this is a text on photo app, but there are several apps. See calligraphy name. Okay, calligraphy name. Okay, I'm going to edit this one. No, I'm going to do Ankita now. Okay, Ankita. Okay, done. Ankita. I really want something connected. Okay, calligraphy font. This looks cool, right? You can see it from here. Okay, Ankita, this looks great. Okay, done. I'm going to save this picture and quickly take a printout. Okay, I'm going to use my printing app. Photo print. Quickly print Ankita. Just come on. Print. Okay. My printer's printing now. So quickly I'll pick up the printout and get back to you guys. Meanwhile, stay with me. Okay, printing is complete. Great. So Ankita, here is a printout. I'm going to quickly shape it for you. So it is text on photo app, but there are several apps online. So here goes Ankita's gifts. So I'm going to quickly wrap it for you. See how easy is that? Okay. You gave your name first. Sorry, Rajeshwari. It comes in different order during the live. I'll try to do lives more in the future if this really worked out. Okay. You're feeling so lucky today. Okay. So, I missed this part here. Okay. That's okay. Okay, in that case, what you can do is, okay, so I have missed this part here. What you can do is later, you can make this wire and use Araldite. Okay, I'll write it down for you. The glue name is Araldite. Okay, this is a 2-part glue. You can mix 2 resin and hardener base and make a tiny put a tiny dot here and stick the wires. Okay, thank you, Jayashree. So I'm going to quickly wrap it for you guys. Wire it, shape it for you guys. Okay, I'm in such a hurry. Okay, that's a spirit, Rajeshwari. Thank you, Rajeshwari. It's more like talking to my phone, but your comments are I really appreciate your comments. So I get to know people are watching. This is my very first live. I don't know how it went, but hope you guys took something. You learned something from this video. That's all matters, right? You will make one for yourself, Rajeshwari. Thank you so much. The idea of the live is I want you guys to try it out. in your place. Okay, I'm going to quickly shape it. Okay, app name is Text on Photo app, but there are several other apps online. Okay. Okay. For the bends, always use round nose pliers. It's fantastic. Thank you guys. Thank you for staying with me this long. I never thought I'm going to take too much of time. Okay, I'm going to do eye now. Which wire? These are aluminum wires from Craftcally. Okay. Okay, there you go. I'm going to stick the T part similar way. Okay, later. I don't really want this to look like L. I want this to look like T. Okay. So I'm going to squish it. Okay. So there we go. Well explained. Thank you, Kavita. My very dear sister Kavita and Sangeeta are here with me. Okay, what I'm going to do is quickly shape it back. Which driller? I don't really know the name, but you get it online. Okay, I'm going to put it back, squish the wires. Okay, how do you show, how do I show you my work? You can ping me on my page Kalainayam or send a message to Craftcally page. Okay, I'm going to wrap it here. Very clear and neat presentation. Thank you, Vaishnavi. Okay, I think I'm almost done. There we go. Ankita, here goes your gift. I'm going to wrap this around maybe a heart or something else, maybe later. Okay. So what I was telling earlier is, yeah, Craftcally has this group called Happy Crafting Group on Facebook. Please do join the group for amazing inspiration or projects you can share made with Craftcally supplies. Okay, so I'll put this A for A later. Okay, I'll show you in darker background. So here goes for A, and the same goes for Ankita T. Okay, hope you guys get the idea. You can use UV resin as well. So that's it for today's live. Okay, this is awesome. I just finished my live. Okay, I'm just going to read some more comments. Okay, it's 4:45, 55. Oh, great. If you have any questions regarding the project or anything else, where to buy the wires, where to buy the materials, please feel free to ping me on my page Kalainayam or Craftcally. We'll be more than happy to help you out, guys. So what we did today, please show the tools. Yeah, definitely I'll show the tools. I'll place these letters what I did today. Okay, we did. Okay, my plant wants more space. Okay, you can stay. Okay, hello sunshine is what we did today. We did Ankita as well, for more like a giveaway, right? So we did Ankita. Okay, I'm going to place this aside. I made this BU already. And the king. Who doesn't want to be a king, right? I think we have more queens than king here. And this adorable Live Laugh Love standalone frame. that's it. Hope you guys loved today's live. Okay, I'll be live for a few more minutes quickly to answer some of your questions. Name of the drill used. They don't really have a name. These are called hand drill. I bought these off, I don't know, I'm not sure, AliExpress, I don't know. Okay. Thanks to you. Okay, thanks to you, to Meena, for staying with me. Please tell app. It is the text on photo app. Where is it? Yeah. This is the app I have used. Okay. What material you used? Yeah. All you need are a set of pliers and aluminum wires from Craftcali. These are really soft, flexible wires. Okay. A flat nose plier, round nose plier, cutting pliers. Okay. All the tool set are available with Craftcali. These are mine. I bought this long ago. So they have really good quality stuff on their website. Okay. What else you need? That's it. Get inspired, try it out. The best part about wires is that you can make whatever you want. Okay, cake toppers or keychains. You can gift it to your friends and family. Can you show how to make rose? Why not? Right? Okay. I'm going to quickly take scrap wire. Okay. I'm just bending these two wires in half. I'm going to hold one end and quickly wrap it around. Okay. You can use pliers at this end to wrap the wires, but my hands work better. Okay. Or I can do it either way. It is absolutely your choice, right? Okay. I'm going to twist it quickly. Which size in mm? These are 1 mm wires from Craftcali. Okay. I think I've shaped it well. Okay. So what I did was, I'm going to hold the wire here. You can either start from here or here. Since I'm going to use this as a charm for something else, so I'll need this point. So I'm going to wrap it here. Okay. I quickly made a loop here and go around. These make cute little charms for your projects and your keychains. Okay. You can make a loop at the ends. Okay. I'm going to trim it a bit. Okay. Please do save the scrap wires so that you don't get hurt later. They do really fly off, while cutting. So I'm going to hide this loop behind. Okay. Okay, I think I'm done with my rose. That's it. Easy, right? Okay. So for scrapbooking, I had this little card and a chipboard. You can put your sentiments. Okay. You can put your sentiments here in the middle. Okay, hello. You can write the names of the person you are making scrapbooking for. Okay, that's it. I think I'm done with the session. You have ordered with Craftcali. Amazing. Yeah. One more time, please show the tools. Which tools? These. Okay. Mostly I use these 3 tools. Okay. Cutting pliers, flat nose pliers and nose pliers. And some wires. Aluminum wires. Okay. So I made a lot of things with these wires already. You can sell them, gift it to your friends, or have like a keepsakes or something like that. Okay. drilling tool. These are hand drills. These aren't really fancy stuff. These are hand drills available online for I don't know, some 300 or 400 rupees. Okay, you get drill bits in various sizes. Okay, I think I'll quickly sign off. It was very useful. Thank you guys. Oh, I have 170 people with me live. That is amazing. Thank you so much, guys. I hope I did justice to Craft Gully and try to deliver all the things I wanted to deliver. Okay. How can we fix it on card? You can either use a clear tape, like you get dual tapes. I think it's available with Craft Gully. You can use that. Or say for example, I'm going to use this for this card. Okay, you can drill holes here or poke holes here and hide the wires behind, or you can use a double tape. I don't have it right now with me. You can use a clear dual tape and stick it right there. Okay, how to watch the recording? This will be I'll save the live for you guys. You can come back, check it out later also. Okay. Yeah, the video will be available. I hope I did justice to Kunjal and Craft Gully. So I hope you guys learned something today, and I really want you guys to try it out. Okay, I think I can sign off now. I'll wait for Kunjal to confirm. And one more thing, Ankita, so whoever names I'm going to call it out, Ankita, Hazel, Vani, Siri, Ekta, please do leave a message on my page Kalai Nayam to get your gifts. Okay, Kalai Nayam is my page name. I'll write it out. KALAINAYAM. Kalai Nayam is my Facebook page. You can get in touch with me. Okay, or you can connect with Craft Gully as well. I'll be able to, she'll guide you to my page. Okay. I think I can sign off now. Kunjal, can I? Sure. Yeah. This was an amazing session, and thank you guys for joining me. So yeah, 1 second, I'll flip my camera. Okay. Thank you guys for joining in. This is really amazing, and I had a lovely audience and very lively audience as well. So thank you for this amazing opportunity, Kunjal. I'm really grateful that I get to try out your products, and I made this project live. Okay, bye guys, take care, and bye bye.